Chitchat English.
How much is your salary?
My salary is $3,000 per month.
How much do you want to earn each month?
I want to earn $10,000 each month.
Do you like to use dollars or euros?
I prefer using dollars.
Do you save a part of your salary? If yes, how much?
Yes, I save 20% of my salary each month.
What's your biggest expense each month?
My biggest expense is rent, at $1,000 per month.
Do you have any debts?
No, I don't have any debts.
What's your dream purchase?
My dream purchase is a house by the beach.
How often do you check your bank account?
I check my bank account once a week.
Do you have a budget for personal spending?
Yes, I have a monthly budget of $500 for personal spending.
What do you think about donating money to charity? Why is it important?
It's important because it helps those in need and feels good to make a difference.
If you had $1 million, what would you buy?
I'd buy a house and invest the rest for the future.
Do you think money can buy happiness?
Not really. It can buy comfort, but not true happiness.
Would you rather be rich or good looking?
I'd rather be rich. You can do more with money.
Have you ever found money on the street?
Yes, once. I found a $20 bill.
Money is the root of all evil. Do you agree?
I disagree. It's how people use money that can lead to problems.
Is there anything you wouldn't do for money?
Yes, anything against my ethics or that could hurt others.
If you won the lottery, would you quit your job?
Not immediately. I'd plan carefully first.
More money, more problems. Do you agree?
Somewhat. More money can bring more worries and responsibilities.
Do you have any passive income?
Not yet, but I'm interested in creating some through investments.
How can someone reach financial freedom?
By saving, investing wisely, and living within their means.
How much will you need to retire?
It's hard to say exactly, but enough to live comfortably without working.
What would you do if you received an unexpected bonus?
I would save half and use the other half for a vacation.
How do you decide what to spend your money on?
I prioritize my needs over wants and plan for the future.
Do you like saving money for the future or spending on things you want now?
I prefer saving for the future. It feels safer to me.
How much money do you spend each day?
Not much. I try to keep my daily spending low.
How do you invest your money?
I'm still learning, but I'm interested in mutual funds and stocks.
What do you want to buy these days?
I really want a new phone.
Have you ever lent money to someone?
Yes, I have. I lent money to a friend last year.
Did they pay you back?
Yes, they did. It took a while, but they paid me back.
How do you usually pay for things?
I mostly use cash. It helps me control my spending.
When was the last time you made a big purchase?
Last year, I bought a new laptop.
If you could buy anything, what would it be?
I would buy a plane.
Have you ever received a loan from a bank?
No, I haven't.
How much money did you spend yesterday?
Not much, just enough for daily meals.
How can people become rich?
By working hard, saving, and investing wisely.
Should children have a weekly allowance? Why or why not? If yes, how much?
Yes, to teach them about managing money. The amount depends on what they need to learn to budget for.
Would you like to work in a bank? Why or why not?
Not really. I prefer more creative work.
Do you have any credit cards? Why or why not?
I use them for convenience, security, and rewards.
What does the paper money from your country look like?
It has pictures of important national figures and landmarks.
Can a person be poor but still be happy?
Yes, happiness isn't just about having money.
Have you lost money, and how did you feel?
Yes, I've lost money. It made me feel frustrated and upset.
When did people first begin to use money?
Thousands of years ago, to make trading easier than bartering.
What is the most expensive thing you ever bought?
My education. It was a big investment.
Do you want to become rich? Why or why not?
Yes, to have financial security and help others.
What are you going to buy tomorrow?
I'll buy something for my parents tomorrow.
What's hard about saving money?
Not buying things I don't really need.
What do the coins from your country look like?
They have different sizes and colors, with symbols and faces on them.
What's the best way to teach kids about money?
By example, like budgeting and saving, and explaining money's value.
What role does financial education play in life?
It's crucial. It helps avoid debt and achieve goals.
What do you think about buying things when they are cheaper?
It's smart. It saves money.
Have you used a phone app to help with money?
Not yet, but I want to try one for planning my money.
Is sharing bills with friends a good idea?
Yes, it helps save money.
Hello, sister.
Hi, darling.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, my sweetheart.
Sometimes life is hard, right?
Yes, you're right. I feel tired and sad sometimes.
Me too. Sometimes I don't want to get up.
But, it's okay to feel this way.
It's hard to see any good in bad times.
I understand. But even in bad times, we can find something good, like being thankful for what we have.
Thankful? Even now?
Yes, being thankful can make us feel a little better. And remember, it's okay to cry if you feel sad. It is not weakness.
Really, crying is okay?
Yes, crying is natural. It helps us feel better. And taking care of ourselves is important too.
How can we take care of ourselves?
Simple things: eating good food, sleeping well, and walking outside.
What about when I'm very scared or worried?
Try to think about now, not yesterday or tomorrow. Breathing slowly helps too.
It's hard to change fear into something else.
It is, but asking, what can I learn, helps. It's like turning fear into curiosity.
That sounds a bit better. But change takes time, right?
Yes, it does. Saying I can't yet instead of I can't can help.
I see. So being kind to ourselves is important.
Very important. Being patient and forgiving ourselves helps a lot.
What if the problem is too big?
Focus on what you can do, not on what you can't. And remember, it's okay to ask for help.
Asking for help is okay?
Yes, asking for help is part of being strong. You're not alone. We can share our problems and support each other.
That's comforting to hear. I guess sharing can make us feel less alone.
Exactly. And remember, it's okay to not be perfect. We all make mistakes and have flaws. That's what makes us human.
I've never thought about it that way. So, we should embrace our flaws?
Yes, embracing our flaws is part of growing. It helps us learn and become better.
It sounds like there's hope, even when things are tough.
There is always hope. And every small positive thing we do for ourselves or others can make a big difference.
Thank you for talking with me. It helps a lot.
You're welcome. Remember, I'm here if you need to talk. We can face hard times together and find a way through. Always remember, the sun will rise and we will try again. Tomorrow is a new day.
I like that. So, every day is a chance to start again?
Yes, exactly. Like the quote, every day is a second chance.
It makes me feel hopeful. So, if we are strong, we can get through hard times.
Yes, and remember, a little progress each day adds up to big results.
I understand. So, doing a little bit every day can help a lot.
Right. And it's okay not to be okay. Just don't give up.
Not giving up is important, then?
Very important. Like the saying, keep going. Everything you need will come to you at the perfect time.
That's comforting. I will try to remember these words.
Do that and know you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think.
How can I remember to be brave and strong?
A good way is to think I am strong, I am brave every morning. It's like a small pep talk.
I am strong. I am brave, I can do that.
Exactly. And when things get tough, remember, this too shall pass.
This too shall pass, that's easy to remember.
Yes, and it's Very true. Also, don't forget friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they're always there.
I like that. It's nice to think about friends like stars.
It is. Friends help us feel less alone. And always remember happiness can be found even in the darkest of times if one only remembers to turn on the light.
That's from a story, right? It means to look for good things.
Right. It's about finding hope and happiness even when it's hard. You've got it.
I'll try to remember to look for happiness.
Good. And whenever you're feeling down, just say, I can do this because you really can.
I can do this, I'll say that. Thank you for helping me feel better.
Anytime we're in this together, together we can do so much.
Yes, together. I feel a bit better now, talking with you.
I'm glad to hear that. Remember, talking helps. We are here for each other.